In this video, I will show you how to fix Siri not working on iPhone iOS 18. Many people love using Siri for help with tasks like sending messages and setting reminders. However, sometimes it can stop responding or not work properly. This can be frustrating, but don't worry, I have some easy steps to get Siri back on track. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Siri. Tap on it to access Siri's settings. Now that you're in the Siri settings menu, look for the option that says, Allow Siri when locked. Make sure this toggle is turned on. This setting ensures that you can use Siri even when your phone is locked, which is super handy. Next up, let's set up voice activation. Tap on Talk to Siri. And choose either Siri or Hey, Siri, or simply, Hey, Siri. This allows you to activate Siri hands-free. If you're still having trouble after selecting your preferred option, try turning off Siri completely. Tap off. Wait a few seconds before turning it back on again by choosing either Siri or Hey, Siri, or just Hey, Siri. Then set up Siri by following the on-screen instructions. Once you've re-enabled Siri, consider toggling on the option that allows access via pressing the side button. This gives you another way to summon Siri if voice activation isn't working as expected. After making all these adjustments, it's a good idea to restart your iPhone. Once your device has restarted, try activating Siri using both voice commands and the side button method. If everything went well, you'll be back chatting with your virtual assistant. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.